Hello friends, today I will discuss about energy meters used in a distribution and transmission system. Before going through this video, you are requested to go through my channel and do subscribe my channel, and please press bell button for notification of videos to be uploaded in future. Now, why metering is done? Metering of electrical energy is essential for following reason. Number 1, to monitor its use, that is how much energy consumption is used by domestic or commercial purpose. Number 2, decision on generation schedule, that is how much generation to be generated in future or next 24 hours. The decision is to make based on use of the electrical energy. Decision on load shedding hours if required, that is if generation is less but demand for particular hour is more, then we have to set some of the load to meet the generation, to meet the load. Number 4, that is load forecast, that is how much energy consumption is increased during particular day or during particular month of the year. By scheduling this load, we can forecast in future load, that is after 2 years or 3 years how much load will be increased. Number 5, that is the most important part, that is bill collection as per tariff. The revenue of the distribution and transmission company is based on a bill collection. Now, what is energy? Energy E, if E is defined by energy and B, T is the instantaneous value of voltage, and IT is the instantaneous value of current, and T is the time period over which energy is measured. Energy is defined by E equal to integration over 0 to T Vt into IT dt, that is it is the multiplication factor of voltage and current over a certain period of time. Now, energy meter is sometimes it is called as tri-vector meter because it not only give the measurement of energy in terms of kilowatt hour, it also give the measurement in terms of kilowatt hour and also kVA hour. Based on construction point of view, there are two types of energy meter used. Number 1, that is electromagnetic type energy meter. Earlier it is used mainly for domestic metering purpose. The accuracy for this kind of meter is low. And static meter, it is mainly used for bulk supply due to its higher accuracy. But nowadays modern type meters are used almost in most of the section. Also electronic meter and smart meter also is going to be used for domestic purpose. Now, what are the features of the modern meters? It gives the facility for active energy measurement, both export and import. Also, it gives the facility for reactive energy measurement in terms of kVAR hour, that is kilowatt hour, in both export and import. It has port RS-232 or RS-485 or optical communication ports for connecting to the laptop for data acquisition system. It gives the features for period block energy reading for predefined period, typically for 15 to 30 minutes periods. It has relay output for alarm, tripping based on power factor, maximum demand or overload, etc. It has load surveilling or features for demand forecasting, that is after of 1 year what could be the load it can assess. Time of day tariff in various time zone for better availability of power if higher rates are charged during peak load periods, the consumer will be forced to disconnect their non-essential load during such period. And it has also local and remote communication features. Features for modern type of energy meters are: it can measure and show the voltage of the phases, it shows the measurement of current, it shows the measurement of power factor, what is the power factor, or how much power factor the a consumer or a bulk supplier is drawing power, frequency of the load. It also shows the measurement of active power, reactive power and apparent power. Maximum demand in terms of kilowatt or kVA, maximum demand during 15 or 30 minutes of interval. Now, as per wiring connection, energy meters are classified are mainly two types: 3-phase 3-wire. It is mainly used for balanced load supply, that is, sum of phase current shall be equal to 0. The other is 3-phase 4-wire, used for unbalanced load and also can be used for balanced load. 3-phase 3-wire connection for energy meter has been shown in this diagram. It is called 3-wire because of only 3 phases of PT are taken and connected to the energy meter. Here neutral is not taken into the energy meter, and for CT connection only 2 phases are taken, that is red and blue phase. And now how the energy is calculated in this energy meter will be shown in the next slide. Now the phasor diagram 3 phase has been shown, and here CT are connected for red and blue phase and PT are taken for 3 phases. Now if E1 is the energy calculated for 1 meter and E2 is the energy calculated in the second meter, that is for red and blue phase, E1 equal to IR into VR Ry, that is voltage difference in between red and yellow phase, into time t, and E2 equal to IB into VBY, that is voltage difference in between blue and Y phase, into time t. Here t is the time period for which the energy is measured. Total energy measured for 3-phase meter is equal to E1 plus E2, that equal to comes to IR into VRY plus IB into VBY into T, that is VRY is the voltage difference, VR minus VY, that is the vector difference of phase voltages, and VBY is equal to vector difference for voltage of B phase and that of Y phase. That comes to IR into VR plus IB into VB minus IR plus IB whole into VY. Now for 3-phase balanced load, sum of the 3 phases load equal to 0, that is IR plus IY plus IB equal to 0, that is IR plus IB equal to minus IY. Now if you replace IR plus IB equal to minus IY, that comes to IR plus VR plus IB plus VB plus IY into VY into T, that is the energy in all individual phases are measured. Now 3-phase 4-wire energy meter diagram has been shown in this figure. Here 4-wire, that is 3 phases of PT voltage, and also the neutral has been taken into the energy meter, and for CT all the 3 phases are taken into the energy meter for calculation of energy consumption in the load. Now here since all the 3 phases current are taken and PT secondaries are taken into energy meter, here phase wise energy are calculated, and summation has been measured by the energy meter.